What is the best way to manage your money? That's a question that everyone has an answer for. But the question shouldn't be what's the best way to manage your money, it's what's the best way for you. And in comes the book The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. Most books, when they analyze money and investments, focus solely on the technical or the hard science part of it. But this book has a focus on the human psychology element of investing and building wealth over the long term. One of the takeaways I got from this book was to understand what your own financial goals are. Because without understanding what you're working towards, it's difficult to build a plan. I felt like this book touched on a few key points: the psychology behind money, the historical implications of money, as well as some investing strategies that we can use in order to increase our wealth. It goes on to explain that many of us know how compounding works, but we can't really understand on a huge scale. What we can gather from this is that time is our best friend, and starting today and staying the course for the long term is the best way to build wealth. As an example, the book mentions that Warren Buffett is one of the wealthiest investors of all time, but it says it's not all because of his skill as an investor. Warren Buffett started investing when he was a kid, so his money has had decades to compound. Most of us can't go back in time and fill up our investment accounts we never had, but we can start investing now. Finally, an important point is finding out what enough is for you. It always seems like there's never enough money, and that the goalposts always seem to be moving as you earn more money and how we compare ourselves to others. So crucially, it's saying finding out what enough for you is important. This is a good read, and the book was a great analysis on the psychology of money. I hope you found this review helpful. Thanks for watching.